I really don't think walking our cats is gonna work, but we're gonna try this. Take 2 with Casper, buddy. Come on now. Let's go for our walk. I don't think she likes it. Oh look, she's ready to go. It's half off. Oh my god. You have to go fix her. Go fix her. Please. Things is coming. Look at her, look at her, look at her. That's awful. Mila? You want to go for a walk? Pissed. The other 2 aren't going to let us walk them, so we're going to try this guy. You going to do it, buddy? You going to go for a walk, Wyler?
He's okay.
He's calm compared to them, though.
Just walk. See, you're fine.
He's like a damn chair trying to hold me back. You ready for the walk? Come on.
You're breaking his leg.
You're breaking his leg. He won't stand up.
Well,
stand up, Wyler.
Pull in.
Stand up. Wyler, there's stairs coming. He won't. Wyler. Are you gonna walk outside? Are you gonna walk, buddy? Start walking. I'm gonna take him to the end of the road. Walk, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, you wanna go this way? Come on. What a house cat. Dexter would have loved this. We're gonna try and get him to learn how to walk. I doubt it's gonna happen, but it's worth a try. Poor little buddy. He'll get there. We love you.
You're okay. No, you don't need to eat the leash.
Why? Come on, YY, come on.